Today we're going to look at creating a Glog using Glogster. The first thing that you want to do is sign up for an account. I have an Edu account. That just means that things are a little bit more private and filtered than the normal account. You could get a regular account if you wanted to. Whatever you do, choose the free account. I'm already logged in, and what I'm going to do is go to create new Glog. This right here is my dashboard, and so you can see if I scroll down it's going to show all of the Glogs that I've done. And this one right here may look familiar. This is the one that is on the website, my About Me page. So in order to show you how to create a Glog, I'm going to kind of recreate that one there. So I'm going to go up to the top and hit Create New Glog. Glogster always starts out and it usually has all sorts of things already on the wall for you to give you ideas. What you want to do is clear your wall, and this one for some reason didn't have anything on there, so I'm just going to delete that one piece there. Now if I were to scroll down here, you'd see this is my canvas. I want to first change the background, because remember what I said I was doing today was recreating that Glog that I used for my About Me. I can choose any of these pictures I want here. I could also go along here to the side and maybe choose something else that I like more. If I wanted to choose something with pets, these would be fun. If you remember, mine had my very own pictures, so I'm going to click My Pictures. Here is my picture. I have already uploaded this, and this is the way I did that. I clicked on Upload. I went down to my photos, and I searched for that photo and found it. Since it's already there, I don't see the need to re-upload it. So I'm just going to click on it. Whenever it shows up over here, I'm going to click Use It. And then there you see, it took up the whole background. Now I've got this nice picture as my backdrop. And remember, I had images kind of splattered throughout showing my interests, so I'm going to click on Image, and here are my pictures. I'm going to show you how to upload one just for an example. So I'm going to click Upload, and I want to find the right picture. Let's see. I believe this one is a smaller picture, so I'll click on that. And there it is. So if I wanted to use this one now, I would click on it, wait for it to load over here, and then hit Use It. And in fact, I think I will. This one, it'll be a little bit different than what I had originally on my About Me. This is a picture of my sweet niece. Now, if I wanted to make it kind of topsy-turvy, I'm going to click on it, then click on these here at the top. Okay. I'm going to put in some text. Here's the different ways I can put text in. Bubbles are those thought bubbles. So I'll choose the cute thought bubbles, and I'll just choose this one here, click on it and hit Use It. I'm going to close that and come over here. Kinsey calls me a lot and reads to me. So I am going to hit Edit and make it look like she's asking if she can read me a book. Then I'll just click on OK. There we go. You probably noticed also the stickers. These are just a little bit more, uh, I don't want to say professional because they're kind of cartoonish, but they are just another type of graphic that you can use to enhance your project. So if I chose Edugeometry, see here, these are the ones that look like something that you'd see in a math class, magazine and journal. That might be very helpful for you guys in the project that you're working on right now. That could be fun. You would just click use it and it would appear. I am going to put in some additional images here. And I'm going to make this one smaller. If you remember, whenever I used this before, I had captions on some of my pictures, so I'm going to show you how to do that again. Drag this down here. I'm going to click on image, and here's that one of my cat, Casper. Now I click add a frame to it, and I can choose any of these frames that I want to. If I chose pets, it would put that one on there. This one here, it looks kind of like a Polaroid, so I can write on it. And I just kind of like that magazine and journal thing. I'm going to click on that, and then I'll hit use it. Well, it made it huge, but the good thing is I can select it and make it much, much smaller. There we go. So I'm just moving these around however I like. Obviously, I would put the most important things up near the top or right in the center. Now, whenever I'm completely done, I will click Save or Publish. I'm going to give this a real name other than just Glog. So whenever I created this for my website, I called this About Me. For the purposes of this assignment that we're working on, we might make this the visual literacy, might be the best name for it here. I'm going to click on Change, and I'm going to click Apply, but I do want it to be public, and I want it to be finished. Apply, save and publish. Okay, here's my link. You remember whenever I had this in my Weebly, I had it as my entire page. This is where you will get the link so you can post it into the wiki. So you'll click there, and it's already copied. It already said that whenever I clicked. So whenever I go into the discussion board, I can highlight my name in the wiki, choose the little world symbol, and then link that. If I want to put this into my website, which is what I would recommend, a lot of people asked about that. Right down here is your embed code. So first, let me show you here. Here's my Weebly. I'm going to go to Pages, Education 301 Portfolio, Edit Page. Two different ways to do this. I can bring down title text, and scroll down here, link visual literacy Glog. Highlight that, click on this link, and then paste in that right there. I always want to open in a new window, then hit save, or I can go to Pages and just add a new page because that Glog is going to take up the entire thing, and call that Visual Literacy Glog. I'm going to edit my page, go back over here, here's my code. It's already copied. Just by clicking on it, it copies it, which is nice. Drag in custom HTML, click to set, paste it in. Probably want it to be center aligned, although it's so big I don't know if it will matter. And there it just appears. And that is how you create a glog.